Do's and don'ts of finding your perfect fridge freezer. Do ask about energy efficiency, because the more energy efficient it is, the more money it can save you. Don't forget to ask about your warranty, because our warranty goes beyond your manufacturer's warranty. So it offers you unlimited service calls, free spare parts, and the guarantee if we can't repair it, we'll replace it. And it also covers your food for up to €400. Don't forget about our delivery and installation service. Obviously we deliver, but we also install. We'll disconnect your old appliance, reconnect your new appliance, and take away the old packaging, all trouble-free and hassle-free. And always ensure you have the correct measurements. So ensure that if number one fits into the house, and number two, that it fits into the correct place.